This AI video don't dey trend though. See examples here now.
Hey beautiful people, my name is Esther and welcome to Esther's Hair Collections, where your beauty dreams truly come alive.
Are you tired of searching for that perfect hair that just feels right? Or maybe you're looking for nails that make a statement everywhere you go? At Esther's, we've carefully curated the finest human hair and premium synthetic blends, from bouncy curls
To sleek straight styles and even those gorgeous kinky textures. Whatever look you desire, we have the quality that lasts, shines, and turns heads. No more worries about tangling or shedding. Whoa, just pure, luxurious beauty.
When you work smart with AI, you build your dreams faster.
Open and see what AI they do. Don't be small thing, oh. All those videos when I watch inside this bus. Now mobile phone and AI run now.
If you want to learn how to create a video like this, click the link below. It's just 3,000 Naira.